Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. It's JC with Empire Algorithmic Trading. Time for VWAP Vision Stock Talk, where the volume weighted average price helps us make sense of the markets. So let's get right to it. It's time for a little stock talk. All right, happy Wednesday, everybody. And boy, what a Wednesday it was. Even though the indexes didn't show a lot of selling, as you're going to take a look at here, the S&P 500 down 0.3%. Nasdaq Composite down about 1/3%. Small caps did sell off pretty good, down 1%, and then mid caps actually broke the 20-day moving average. Mid caps have been living below their VWAP for about 2 weeks now, which is a little bit of a concern. Now we have the S&P 500, the Nasdaq Composite, both on the cusp of red zones. Now we followed the S&P 500 predominantly. Now if today it did seem to find a little bit of buyers above the 10-day moving average. We would anticipate if buyers are going to come in, this is where they're going to step it up. Now for this entire length from the bottom up here, the 20-day moving average has really been the key support line. So we're not going to go crazy if into all cash if it does break the 10-day tomorrow, but we will go defensive because we'll be right back in the red zone. A lot of leaders got absolutely crushed today, which we're going to take a look at next. But all in all, don't let these small little days kind of catch you off guard, right? Oh, it's just down a little bit. What it is it's 2 days below the VWAP, and we're potentially breaking a short-term moving average. So it's time to just take note of that for sure. Time will tell if it turns into something significant. It is that time of year where we do tend to see corrections in the market. But we've been on a really nice run. Buy signals have been pretty solid for the past week and a half. A lot of them are just coming right back to their 10-day moving average. They were very well extended, so you're kind of expecting that, right? It's just what happens if that selling continues is going to be the danger. And as always, you have your sell rules. Hopefully you're taking some profits on the way up. You have your sell rules for when they start coming back down. Sell rules for anything new. So the market your rules will push you into cash as the market continues to turn. But just keep an eye on tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a pivotal day. We want to see buyers come in and at least push the averages up and come in and support some of these stocks that are right at their 10 and 20-day moving averages. Otherwise, we might see a little bit of a downturn, might see a test of the 50-day moving average. We'll see. Only time will tell. Bonds did rally or sell off hard a little bit today, or I shouldn't sell off hard, but did sell off a little bit today, which is a little bit of a surprise. And then VIX came down, which is kind of weird with the market selling off, particularly with leaders. So next we're going to take a look at some of our previous leaders. These are all breakouts from our algorithm. If you would like to subscribe, you can subscribe to that at patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading. So let's just take a quick look. Bloom Energy, big long-term leader. This one broke out way back during the May rally. Actually broke out in July, excuse me, at 24.40. Currently at 69.18. Gap down closed 10.6%. Gap down right at the 20-day moving average. Seemed to find some buyers there as it rallied up and closed near its high on the day. We'll see if buyers continue to push that higher, but that has a potential sell signal. Hinge tried breaking out the other day, has yet to flash an algo sell signal. I was kind of hoping this was going to be another breakout, another buying opportunity. Was not able to set the signal yesterday and then just reversed hard today, down 9%. Pretty ugly sell-off there from Hinge. And then Centrus Energy, another one of the big leaders that we've had recently. I got in at 220. I sold some initially at 231, currently at 276, so still have a pretty decent profit. Well above its 10-day moving average. It just got way extended. I anticipated that coming back, so we'll see if the buyers come in right where we want it to do. But of course, as always, there's always some stocks that buck the trend, and IREN was one of those stocks that bucked the trend. Up 12.8% today. The stock has just been on a tear. That's a really strong look. Big volume. Now it is getting potentially into climax high territory, kind of running away from its averages. So just keep an eye on that, on a potential reversal there. ERO Copper up 7.9%. I don't know why my chart's doing that. There we go. Up solid 7.9%. It's currently at 18.72. Its buy signal price was 15.75. That stock has been pretty nice. And then Marvell, recent breakout, bucked the trend today. That got in on that one. Its buy price 75.53. I got in at 75.33, and it closed at 80.09 on the day, up 7.3%. But as always, we're just going to start. We're just raising our caution flags, right? We're just taking note. We're not calling like, hey, this is a top. I mean, it very well could be. They all start with 3 consecutive down days. So we'll see what this turns into. Again, we're coming into seasonal weakness time. Hopefully buyers come in. I would anticipate it. There's been a lot of really good moves. It would be hard to believe that this is a top. If anything, it's a small correction. Do I think it's a change in direction? Probably not. If anything, it'll be a dip. We'll see where the 50-day moving average is. Yeah, the 50-day moving average is down here. What is that at? 64.39. So that would definitely be, if we break that, that would be a definite danger zone. But by then, sellers will clearly be in control. That's where buyers are going to start coming in. So just keep your flags up. Just follow your sell rules. That's all you got to do. It's still a good market. But all in all, a pretty ugly session, particularly for the leaders. Well, as always, everybody, thank you for subscribing. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Happy trading.